Alright, here's another easy one. We're going to take off the front fairing, the top cover, and the tail section. All you need is two tools, a T25 and a ratchet. To take off the front fairing, you just rip it off. It's just held on by 4 rubber grommets. To put it back on, just shove it back in. Pretty simple. Top cover. You have 5 T25 screws that you gotta remove. Once that's done, you just unsnap the 2 plastic clips holding the back of the top cover on. Remove the rubber USB cover, slide the cover forward to avoid the USB port, and then back it out. The tail section has 5 T25 screws to remove. Carefully pull at the cover at these points to remove the plastic clips from the frame, and then just pull the cover off. And this is what your bike looks like without the covers on, in case you ever need to get in there and reroute some wires or add some accessories, etc. The left tail section has 4 plastic clips holding it to the frame at these points. And the right tail section has 5 plastic clips holding it at these points. Carefully put the tail section on and lock it into place using the plastic clips mentioned earlier. And then replace the 5 T25 screws and torque them down to 52 to 58 inch-pounds, which is really only about finger tight. You don't want to torque this stuff too much because it'll screw up your body panels. The top cover has 2 slotted plates at the front that slide into rubber grommets on each side of the battery, and 2 plastic clips on the back that snap into these 2 spots. To fit the top cover, tilt it forward and slide it under the steering column so that you can fit the USB port. Locate the slotted plates into the rubber grommets, and then snap in the clips in the back. Replace the rubber USB cover. And finally, replace the 5 T25 screws, torque them down to 52 to 58 inch-pounds, and then replace the seat. And you've got another easy job done.